This video is sponsored by Stunnalifemerch.com. Use code STUNNA25 for 25% off your entire order at Stunnalifemerch.com.
Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again. I'm running this shit. Like, hey, Jay, that's my name, little bro.
What's good, Stunna Life? It's your boy, Stunna, and you know we always stun. Check it out, man. I got y'all another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my new P80. This P80 is my cheapest P80 I ever built. I really can't say how much I paid for it because of YouTube, but just know it was less than $350. You might think that's odd because the P80 shortage and the P80 frame shortage and all of that, but there's ways around it. So let me get this video cracking. I ain't gonna build it in front of y'all because of YouTube. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after. This is the gun fully complete right here. As you can see, this is the Glock 27, 40 caliber. This gun is clear with no magazine in it. Let me know, man, with the gray frame, black slide. Finna show you guys how it's finna look once I do add everything to it. Here's the gun fully complete. 40 caliber, man, so the barrel is a little bit bigger than the 9. Recoil should be a little bit more intense than the 9mm, but I'm finna take this to the range for y'all. Let's get it bussin' and catch y'all at the range.
I'm at the range. It's pretty cold outside, so y'all know I got my ski on, man. I got my Glock 27, 40 cal. Let's see, this is the first test of it. First run, that's all right. I just need oil. Alright, got 8 shots lined up. You see it jammed twice. I just put some oil on it. Let's see. Grab my extension. Nah.
No?
This gun just brand new. Homemade gun. Yeah, so all the parts are this one P80 Block 26. Yeah, this one. Pretty tricked out.
Is that a laser?
Yeah, they're dead. It's a blue and a purple laser.
Huh.
Yeah. This one actually is binary.
That's not like a Glock, is it?
No.
It's an off-brand of a, like
Yeah,
a
it's
Glock?
like it's a replica Glock.
Huh. What is it?
This one right here costs about
No recoil.
As you can see, this is my Glock 27. Had a few hiccups, but man, let's load some more and see if we can get it broken in. Let's get a quick mag though. Seems like it's No hiccups. It just need a little bit of break in, man. Let's get it, man.
P80.
Alright, so that's gonna be end of this, man. As y'all can see, I'm gonna just put this many through. I'm gonna do some more off camera, so next time y'all see it, it's gonna come back and better, man. Stunna Life, and I'm going. Appreciate y'all.
Like, hey Jay, that's my name. Little bro nigga from down LA. About 6'1" with a low top fade. Niggas knew that you was gonna get to that cake. Hey bitch, say my name. Too dope, cool nigga ain't shit.